Hey guys, what's good? It's Josh James here.
Yeah.
We're swagging 3-on-2. Today we're just going to be doing a couple fronties, backies, and we might sketch some cars afterwards. So this is just a quick tramp scare session after school. Alright, let's go. Welcome back to you. Back. And then fronty. I'll try fronty. Because I don't fuck with. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm back with either. Yeah. Alright, can you take two? Yo. With the fronty. Come in. Hello. Come here. I should tell you something. You're shit at kabooms.
I know.
Come in, I'll show you how it's done.
Alright guys, we're about to go sketch some cars after
No.
this.
Hey guys, this is a big kaboom. Haha, yeah. Just bounce like a normal person. Falling back and cross over.
I've done it better than that. Alright guys, so let's go sketch some cars.
Follow this backy. You can subscribe, like, and comment below if you're a savage. What like it?
Not. Let's go.
Just remember guys, we upload every Tuesday just for after school. We swag the 3-on-2 most Tuesdays, alright?
Maybe some other days of the week as well.
Yeah, maybe.
Should I sketch this truck, at least?
Alright, we might sketch this truck and the camera's gone weird.
Yeah, I know.
Did you turn on the brightness?
Yeah.
Don't turn it down. Alright, let's go guys.
No, the brightness was already in there.
Alright, let's go. Alright, where are you going to sketch? Jump in, let's go.
This truck first.
Are you getting? We're just going to wait till this truck leaves.
We're just gonna like sit here waiting for it.
Yeah, right.
Ready to sketch.
We'll update you guys when we're ready to sketch, alright? Yeah. Okay guys, we just have to say something. We're sponsored by Raisin.
I'm sponsored by Raisin, you know?
Why do you find everything on the ground and just say you're sponsored by it? Just why?
Fuck Raisin.
Yeah, go.
Alright,
Alright,
guys,
we're about to sketch this Mazda sketch. I'm gonna pretend I'm texting. Sketchy. Oh my god, he sort of failed.
Right, guys, so speeding a bit too fast there.
Oi, guys. Alright, this red one. Thumb up for the red one, let's go. No, they're fucking speeding. That's illegal.
And I don't have a tow bar.
Just come onto the boot or the windscreen wipers like you did before.
Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, I didn't record it, but I grabbed onto the windscreen wipers because some old lady was having a go at me and my mates, and so she pulled over, me and my mates ran, and then she turned the corner, so he ran back the other way. It's pretty hectic.
Fucking sketchy, mate. Aye.
Pretty sketchy as fuck, by the way.
Why is there no one on this road? Isn't this supposed to be like a main road? Man's not hot.
Go to the SB.
SB and skits people. Oh yeah, because it's only 20 k's there. Well, kilometers is a. Oi, skitchy. Wait, hit this red one. Oh, let's hit this black van so you can't see him. Hold on, let's go. Alright, you got this red one. Let's go. Black one. Oi, mano.
This black one?
Yeah, this black one.
Alright.
This grey one doesn't have a tow bar. Don't know how I knew that. Go now. Oh yeah, another one.
No, go off his dick.
What dick? Alright, should we go SB? Alright guys, we're gonna wait for this fucking granny car. Oh, he hit this granny car. No, he'll go off his blocker. He's a psycho.
We'll update you when I'm about to sketch the truck.
Right. Alright, he's about to sketch this car. Oh, another one. Man's not hot. I said man's not hot. Sketch it. Go. Oh, another one. Hello. Nothing.
What's going on?
But doing legit nothing. Man's not hot. So man's not hot, but we're gonna sketch this truck. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm hiding behind this fence here and I don't think it's sketch. Sketch your gun. He's gonna sketch it. He's sketch it. Like, oh, like for that. You gotta like that. Sketch you some cars. I was laughing my ass off the entire time. Oh, hit this Wrangler. Let's get this Wrangler. Hit this Wrangler. Oh, hit this black one. Nah, hit the black one. Sketch it. Alright guys, we're gonna go on the SB, alright? Alright, we'll update you when we're on the SB. I can blow your ditch.
And if you haven't already, go subscribe to Jacked Out.
What did you do?
Wait.
Hey, we're just heading off to the fucking SB. The reason we're going to, I'm actually going to sketch some cars this time too. The reason we're going to the SB is because fucking, it's only 20 k's an hour there, and that's all like, yeah, and he basically fucking lives there. Hold on, I'm gonna check. What the fuck is this?
What is this?
It's a fucking cap.
What the fuck?
That's a keeper. Let's go.
That's a shit one.
It's a shit, but it's keeper.
Wait, see this gap.
What gap?
This one.
I'm a skater, not a fucking scooter rider.
No. I said film this.
Alright, let's go. Oh, you put your foot down, you fucking racist. Sorry about the lighting, guys. I see how fast the cars are going on the SB? Like, you're on like fucking 2k an hour.
It's gonna be pretty hard to go on speed bumps, but we got this, guys.
Yeah, speed bumps are actually not that hard. This guy's just really shit. Oh my god, it's an airplane! Yeah. Look at the Australian beaches. Oh no, it's 30k. Shit, does make a difference. I can go double that on my bike. Alright guys, look at the beautiful Adelaide beaches. Look how... Skid shit. No, we're aiming for the cars going up the hill, guys. That's fucking racist.
They'll actually try and bash you.
No, they're trying to kill you. Let's sketch this motorbike, hey guys? Double tapping next time we'll sketch a motorbike. Hey boys!
Hey boys!
He's an L-plater. I got that on film. Is it really? No. Leroy Jenkins. Alright guys, we're gonna go down there. We're gonna head to Rotary. Yeah, Papa Mono!
No, he's gonna come back around, watch.
Papa Mono!
I reckon he's gonna come back around for
Alright guys, I reckon he's gonna turn back around because he loves us. Oh my god, we should get this guy on the Harley to try. I reckon that's a Harley. I'm not sure what sort of bike that is. Yeah, that's a Harley, bruv. What the fuck? My board. Oh, that's a nice. That's not a Harley, eh? No shit, Harley. It's got a nice engine though.
Oh, it's got us a nice engine. Shit, hey.
What the fuck's that motor? You gonna head down? Right, we're gonna go head down. Alright, see you in a second. Skitch it. How about we go about to skitch your car?
Is this fucking truck? No, I'm doing the truck.
Fuck yes, no, he's doing the truck, guys. Fuck yes. He's gonna huck the truck. I mean, he's gonna huck the fucking truck. The fuck truck. Because that's what we call trucks in Australia. We call them huck trucks. And I swear to God, the brightness just went down like fuck. Hold on, bro. The brightness just went fucking psycho. Huck the truck. You fucking skitch it. Hold on. Alright guys, we gotta wrap it up because the screen's gone fucking crazy. Alright guys, we'll see you next Tuesday or another weekday with another video. See ya.